I'm back to continue our lesson in reading. Get excited because you are now in your second level of learning how to read. Good day, everyone. Today, my discussion will focus on helper sounds, particularly Cartilla A. Cartilla A. I will review first to you the sounds of the following letters. M, R, R, F, B, B, C, K, H, H, and V, V. Let us now recall the sound of short A. 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 Now we will be blending those consonant letters, those initial sounds that I mentioned to you, with the short A sound. Consonant to be paired with a vowel, particularly short A or A. Let's start with M. Combine it with the short A, so that is ma. Ma. Next is letter R. Combine it with letter A, so we have ra, ra, ra. Next one, letter F. F plus the A sound, fa, fa, fa. Next, letter B, B, and then A, B, ba, ba, ba. Next, C, K, and then A sound, K, 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 A, K, K. Next is H, H, with A, combine it with A, blend it with A, so we have ha, ha, ha. And the last one is letter V, V, and the A, va, va. Thank you. And now I will read them all. Ma, ra, fa, ba, ka, ha, and va. Thank you. And that's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed reading the helper sounds, particularly Cartilla A. Thank you, and God bless us all.